ShoreMaster Canopy Covers. Premium materials, superior protection. ShoreMaster's 13-ounce vinyl with top coat canopy cover. Enjoy your boat at a moment's notice without having to unsnap a boat cover or clean and dry the interior when you choose to protect it with ShoreMaster's premium 13-ounce vinyl canopy cover with top coat. The 13-ounce vinyl canopy cover with top coat is designed to be very lightweight without sacrificing the durability or moisture and UV protection that you expect from a premium vinyl canopy cover. Your OEM exclusive top-coated vinyl canopy cover will outperform heavier 18-ounce vinyls in the following areas: tear resistance, grab tensile, strip tensile, and hydrostatic resistance. ShoreMaster's 13-ounce vinyl with top coat canopy cover is available in burgundy, forest green, tan, white, blue, or gray. Premium WeatherMax canopy covers. ShoreMaster's WeatherMax fabric canopy covers offer superior protection from the elements for your boat. You'll enjoy WeatherMax's ease of use when it comes to installation, removal, or storage of the cover because WeatherMax is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. WeatherMax canopy covers from ShoreMaster have a reputation for long-lasting color retention, incredible durability, and superior protection from the elements. ShoreMaster's WeatherMax canopy covers are available in burgundy, Pacific blue, sandstone, forest green, black, light charcoal, sapphire tweed, and forest tweed.